Governor DeSantis is happy to announce that the damage from Hurricane Idalia, correct pronunciation, has been minimal. Thank you to those who evacuated early. In fact, the only major damage seems to have been to the governor's mansion. A 100-year-old historic oak tree fell on the mansion while the governor and his family were inside. No major damage, no injuries.
Does the governor believe in signs? Because an historic tree falling on the governor's mansion seems like, well, a sign.
Look, Governor DeSantis has signed a bill in the wake of this hurricane outlawing any further natural disasters from happening at the governor's mansion. Moreover, Florida is now declaring war on trees, and we are ordering Florida state troopers to arrest any woke trees they see moving in a threatening manner.
But this was an act of God, not the tree's fault. What are you doing about extreme weather?
We are putting God on notice, saying he better watch out, because what he doesn't know who he's messing with, right? Huh? We'll show God like we showed Disney. Huh? Take that, God.
Same old song, the same old song.